children. Hope you all are fine. Children, today we will start book number 7, which is there in your 4th assessment syllabus. So here you will be getting 2 chapters. Chapter number 12, The Boat, and chapter number 13, The Little Plant. So everyone, open your book number 7 and page number 2. Chapter number 12, The Boat. Children, this is a story about
a frog, a chick, a mouse, an ant, and a ladybird.
Okay? So children, I will read the story and side by side I will also explain it. Okay? So let's start. The boat. A frog, a chick, a mouse, an ant, and a ladybird all went out for a walk. So, a frog, a chick, a mouse, an ant, and a ladybird were friends. All of them went out for a walk. They came across a stream. At once, the frog jumped into the stream. At the time of walking, they came across a stream, and suddenly the frog jumped into the stream. See, children? Let's have a swim. But we can't swim. Croak, 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 what good are you all? From there, the frog is saying to his friends, let's swim. But the ladybird, the ant, the chick, and the mouse replied that they don't know how to swim. Then the frog started making fun of them. Now come to the next page, page number 4. The chick, the mouse, the ant, and the ladybird thought, what can be done about it? Then the remaining 4 friends started thinking what to do. And this is what they did. Now let's see what they did. The chick went away and soon came back with a leaf. The chick went away and brought a leaf. The mouse fetched half a walnut shell. The mouse brought half a walnut shell. Children, here fetched means brought. Okay? So underline this word. The ant brought a straw. The ladybird found a long piece of black thread. Then the ant brought a straw and the ladybird brought a long piece of black thread. Then they all set to work. In a minute, they had the prettiest little sailing boat you ever saw. Then, within a few minutes, they had made a prettiest little boat. Now come to the next page, page number 5. They pushed it into the water, jumped on it, and off they sailed. Then they pushed the boat into the water, jumped on it, and sailed away happily. The frog stuck its head out of the water and was going to laugh again, but the boat was far, far away. The frog stuck its head out of the water. Children, here stuck means put out. Okay, so underline this word. So, the frog stuck its head out of the water and was going to make fun of them again. But the boat was already far away, so he could not laugh at them again. Okay?
So children, this much for today.
I hope all of you have enjoyed the story. So, in the next video, we will do the book exercise.
Thank you.